In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to check pending deposits on Chime. If you've been waiting for a deposit to hit your account and want to see its progress, you've come to the right place. Checking pending deposits on Chime is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step to make sure you feel confident in managing your finances. First, you'll need to open the Chime app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, sign in using your credentials. It's important to make sure you're connected to a secure internet connection to keep your financial information safe. Once you're logged in, the next step is to tap on your checking account. This is where you'll find all the recent activity related to your account. After selecting your checking account, take a moment to look through the recent activity list. Here, you'll be able to see all your transactions, including any deposits that might be in progress. What you're specifically looking for are those deposits that are marked as pending. These are the ones that haven't yet fully processed and are in the midst of being transferred to your account. Once you've located a deposit that's marked pending, go ahead and tap on it. This will provide you with additional details about the deposit, giving you more insight into its current status. You'll be able to see information such as the amount, the source of the deposit, and any expected processing times. This can give you a better understanding of when the funds might become available for use. And there you have it. That's how you check pending deposits on Chime. By following these simple steps, you can stay on top of your finances and ensure you're always aware of any incoming funds. Remember, being proactive with your banking is key to effective money management. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process of checking pending deposits on Chime clear and easy to understand. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.